I want you to keep cycling the frequencies and don't stop until you get through, okay?
Briggs, any word on that hijacked ship?
Outside communications are almost entirely blacked out. Can't sync up with anyone yet, but the crew's working on it.
Charlie.
The virus. I found the source. It was executed when we gutted the tablets and picked up a Mirawa.
That's impossible. The system
I
is...
streamlined a couple of security protocols. I was just trying to boost operating speed.
You let it infect the system? That's how they found us in Mexico.
No, it wasn't. When we were on the ground, I contacted a former associate with the cartel. The engineers have a bounty out on us. He must have rolled on me for a cut.
Charlie, why didn't you The American fuel attack was successful.
That must be why they activated continuity of government.
What was the engineer's target?
Sorry, Sam. Still getting flooded with intel. Got it. Looks like Louisiana, Sabine Pass. A natural gas tanker.
Oh my god.
Sabine Pass. That's the biggest fuel facility on the Gulf Coast.
The engineers hit the facility with a computer virus right before the tanker hit. Security systems, fail-safes, everything was disabled.
The virus operates exactly like the one they hit our plane with.
Oh shit. Every fuel facility on the coast has been infected.
That fire spreads.
They'll all go up one by one.
A burning refinery is not the place to go subtle. The SMI's optimal loadout is all about scouting with the tri-rotor and inflicting heavy damage with frags.
Approaching jump run, Sam.
Ready?
Pilot is dropping to half an angel. Reducing speed.
And 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go!
Grim, Sam's away.
Copy. Here we go.
Grim, I'm on the ground, headed towards the down chopper.
Sam, the SEALs look like they're taking heavy ground fire.
Engineers?
Affirmative. They're pinned down. Not sure how long they'll hold out.
Friendly! Blade! Chaos!
How do you know the countersign?
If you're not gonna pull the trigger, stop pointing that thing at me. I'm here to help.
Who said we needed help? Where did you come from?
Off the books. They task you to secure the facility?
They sent us to stop the fuel tanker, but they sent us too late. We got here after the crash, then tailed the squad of foot mobiles. We almost got their leader, then everything went to shit.
Grim, I got a high-value engineer target on the ground. Get me a location.
Copy.
We'll be okay.
Nobody gets through.
Hang in there.
Keep him off the chopper!
Keep moving toward the main facility, Sam. We're hearing small arms fire in the terminal, Sam. Suggest you move that way.
Time isn't on your side. You have to push through.
Is something wrong? You have to move.
Sam, hostiles are targeting the first responders.
On my way. Grim, find me the lead engineer.
As fast as I can.
Emergency fuel shutdown failed. Repeat, fuel shutdown has failed. All depot personnel must evacuate now. Repeat, evacuate now.
I'm seeing a lot of hostiles up ahead.
Sam, that section of the plant is a maze. Use it to your advantage.
I always do.
Where are you? Fuck!
Emergency fuel shutdown failed. Repeat, fuel shutdown has failed.
Negative, it's all clear here. No, no sign of any first responders heading toward my building. Yes, I hear you. Listen, no sign of first responders in my area. Looks like
I'm seeing a lot of hostiles up ahead.
Sam, that section of the plant is a maze. Use it to your advantage.
I always do.
down right out front.
The fires are burning out of control.
You'll have to neutralize all the engineers before the emergency team can get back to work safely. Sam, you're entering a target-rich environment and the hostiles are heavily armed. Take them out one by one or you're gonna get swamped. Sitrep?
Area around the fire station's clear. You?
Still hunting the lead engineer.
Keep me posted.
We have many wounded, at least 7. Get over here!
Chief! You're all clear. Your men can get back to work.
Thanks for the help. Should buy enough time to evacuate.
There's gotta be a way to stop this fire.
Main gas line's dumping gas directly onto the fire. Spreads to the pipeline, then blam! Might as well be pissing into the wind. How's he doing?
We copy, Sam.
Finding an exit for you now. No, wait. If you can find me a terminal, I can nuke the virus, clear their system.
Chief, where's the control room?
Top floor of the terminal building, but it's too dangerous.
I'll be all right. I got backup. Good luck, Chief.
Anyone needs luck in this mess? It's you.
If you can make the run to the terminal building, Sam, Charlie can shut the flow of gas down.
Sam, I've managed to hack into the engineer's commo in the terminal. You wanna listen?
Pass me through. I've reached the terminal building.
Great. The control room is on the top floor.
Your offset to the main terminal. I can get remote access from the SMI. Hang on. Yes. All right, I got it.
Pulled it off, Charlie.
I have control of it all. Lights, doors, security feeds. Wait. I think I might have the leader. He's disguising himself as a paramedic.
Sending you the location.
I'm moving.
I'm opening the door. Fastest way to get to him.
Stay sharp up there. The engineers are gonna know we're here now.
Got your back.
Understood, Sam.
LSG control systems are back online.
I'm seeing a vent system on the blueprint, Sam. Use it if you want to outmaneuver the hostiles.
It's not too hot in there already.
What's happening? Report! They're taking back the facility. I want situation report. Where are my reinforcements? We can't hold you much longer.
What?
Gotta be here. Keep shooting!
Get down to ground level if you can, Sam. You're right on top of the leader.
The systems are back online. They must have retaken the facility. Lock this area down. Watch the east. I'm on updates by the minute. Go!
Should have a visual on the leader now, Sam.
Got him. Moving in.
He's making a run for it.
I'm after him.
But it'll take some time.
I'll find another way.
One of them's right behind you. Don't let him through.
Charlie, I need you to...
Got it.
it.
All right, hang on. I'm gonna raise the gate.
Help me!
You first.
Siddiq's plan. Talk.
You are too late.
What have you done?
Your president. She handed your people to Sadiq on a plate. Denver. The bunker. Sadiq was waiting for them. It's over. No.
Our payment just cleared.
Did we raise the president yet?
Still trying.
We got an update on the SEAL team. They're all okay. We're gonna finish refueling, be back in the air in 20.
Hey, appreciate your help back there.
Yeah, thanks. You got a sec?
Wait.
It's nothing big. We'll catch you up later.
Grim, the virus. Mexico, I gotta tell him.
No, you don't.
I screwed up.
You think?
Then why are you covering for me? I mean, why would you even want me here?
I never did.
Thanks.
You asked. You don't listen to anyone. You think you know everything. You treat your work like a game.
Are we done?
No, we're not. You know what bothers me the most about you, Charlie? You're good at your job. The only thing standing between Sadiq and the world is this team. I can't afford to have Sam throwing you off this plane.
I'm sorry.
Then find a way to make it up to us.